Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thought I'd show you really quick how to install an oil filter. This is a Tempest oil filter, which is pretty much all we use here in the shop. They're about $5 cheaper than Champions, and knowing how frugal Grumman owners are, if $5 is $5, that's a gallon of gas. Well, not quite a gallon of gas here. So anyway, first thing you want to do is you want to put a little bit of oil on the oil filter gasket, and it's just one drop of oil that we spread around the whole bead of this all the way around. And now we're ready to put it on the airplane, get the thread started. But before we do that, let's write some information on the oil filter. Okay, now that we've written all the information on the oil filter, such as the date, the takt time, and what airplane, I mean, in a big shop, you might get the oil filters confused. You wouldn't want to tell the wrong guy the wrong engine needs to be rebuilt because of metal in the filter. So we just go ahead and we spin it all the way on. Finally getting it there, we actually are now going to torque it. There is a spec for the torque. I actually bought the Tempest tool, which is a calibrated torque wrench for this. We just spin it along until the torque wrench clicks. It takes quite a bit. And there it clicked. So now, oil filter has been changed. All we have to do now is safety wire it. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Directly supports the Grumman Pilots Association, your GPA. Thanks for watching.